we have come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and woman in holy matrimony. The bond and covenant of marriage was established by God in creation, and our Lord Jesus Christ adorned this manner of life when He performed His first miracle, which was at a wedding.
The day has finally arrived. I knew we'd be together forever, and I know you did too. You are the kindest soul I know. I love how you love me, and I love how we're building our future. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's prepare for the best day of our lives. I love you so much, and I'm so excited for today and the rest of forever.
Julia, today is the start of the rest of our lives. We have worked so hard to get here. We have faced so many challenges together. Each one of them we've conquered hand in hand together. Today we face another. There will be many things that will test us. There will be times that we will feel helpless and beaten. But today we tell the world that we will fight together. Today we will face this challenge together, and out of this challenge there will be so much beauty.
Thank you for being my better half, my saving grace, my Superman. I love you, and I'll see you soon.
Julia, I cannot wait to experience everything this life has to offer with you.
I promise, even when our life challenges us, I will love you. Julia Rebecca Ewan, you are my strength, my joy, my home, and it's always my love.
You're my better half, and I wouldn't want to experience this life with anyone else. And as I frequently say, I love you a latte.
I love you.
Now, I now pronounce it your husband and wife. You may kiss.
Marquise, you and Julia were meant to be together. You complement one another really well. You both share similar values, and you seem to bring the best out of each other. And I really do mean that. I've seen you guys hang out with each other, and every time I see it, it's something new every time. It just brings a smile to my face, and I'm just third wheeling.
There was something I wish that I could share, but I wish that I could impart to you something as if you haven't spent all of your life watching me learn how to navigate love and relationships. So there's nothing that I can offer you that you haven't already figured out for yourself. Anything that I've ever done, you've done better.
Marquise is patient, hardworking, and ambitious. These are just a few of the solid qualities he represents. Having grown up with him, I've seen him mature in a way that complements Julia very well. Y'all look great together, act great together. Every time I see you guys, you're excited, so it's a great thing.
I'm so happy to welcome Marquise into our family. I know you'll treat her like the queen that she is, because you've always been chivalrous without being overbearing, and integrated yourself seamlessly into our family by rolling with our sense of humor and just being able to speak our language almost immediately.
I do believe in love, and I believe that with love, mutual respect, continuous communication, you two will live a long and happy life together. Please raise your glasses with me as we propose a toast to a match made in heaven.